If you earn 1099 income and you drive for work or use your car in your business, there's a very real chance that you're leaving money, that actually thousands, okay, of dollars on the table. And I'm not exaggerating. For 2026, the IRS standard mileage rate is 72.5 cents per business mile. And that means if you drove 10,000 business miles, that's a $7,250 deduction, which is not pocket change. Okay. And every single filing season, I see high earners miss this. Okay. Hi, my name is Coach Tasha, and I've been helping self employed people, 1099 earners, manage their taxes for almost 20 years. Now, on this channel, I break down tax topics in a way that actually makes sense. So you can protect your income, reduce your tax liability legally, and operate like a real business owner. And today, we're going to be talking about something simple but powerful: mileage. Okay. Now, before we go further, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with another 1099 earner who needs to hear this, because this one really matters. Now, this applies if you file a Schedule C, earn 1099 income, you're self-employed, you have an LLC. I'm just giving, various ways that this can apply to you, okay? And you use your car for business. Now, I'm talking about driving between like job sites, traveling between client homes, multiple contract locations, running to pick up supplies, meeting referral partners and vendors, okay? And traveling, even like traveling between offices. Now, a lot of people really rack up serious miles without even realizing it. And here's where people get tripped up, okay? Your regular commute from your home to your main work location typically does not count, but travel between work locations usually does. And that's the difference right there. Okay. That's where people either miss money or try to claim something that they shouldn't. Now, let me ask you something. Are you tracking your business mileage right now, or were you planning to estimate it in April? Okay. Now, because, and be honest, all right? Now, because here's the rule: no log equals no deduction. You can't go off of memory. You can't, be like, oh, I drove about 8,000 miles, or take a guess based on your calendar, because the IRS expects documentation if they decide to audit you or request supporting documentation. And that means you need to be logging the date, the destination, the business purpose, and the miles driven. Now, if you don't have that, that deduction can disappear really fast. Now, let's say you drove 15,000 business miles this year. Okay, let's do some math. 15,000 times 72.5, which the mileage rate is $10,875, which you get as a deduction. Now, you don't get that in a refund, but what it helps to do is reduce your taxable income. And when you're earning strong 1099 income, the goal is to reduce the taxable income legally, okay? And so every legitimate deduction adds up. Now, here's what I see all the time: busy professionals working hard all year, making good money, but no mileage tracking system, no quarterly check ins, no structure. They just assume that their tax professional will just, figure it out. But tax season is not when strategy starts, it's when reporting happens. Sorry. Okay. And if you don't track it during the year, there's nothing to report. Now, here's the good news: you don't have to overthink this. Honestly, you can use an app. Now, one really simple one that a lot of 1099 earners love is called Mile IQ, and it runs in the background. It automatically tracks your drives, and it lets you categorize them with a swipe. Okay. So instead of trying to remember where you were 3 months ago, it's already documented. Okay. And you swipe for personal, you swipe for business. All right. The bottom line here is that you want to pick a system, because there's more of them out there. Okay. And you need to start now. And that's the main thing. Okay. If you're a newer 1099 income earner and you're still trying to understand how all of this works, how Schedule C works and how deductions works and all the things, okay, you actually should grab my book, 1099 NEC Mastery. It's on Amazon, and I will leave the link. And it breaks things down step by step. Okay, to help you understand things better. But if you're serious about getting organized and managing your taxes like a business owner, not just reacting when it's time to, prepare your taxes, my Tax Essentials for Entrepreneurs Toolkit, which gives you business tax clarity, okay? It goes deeper into building better systems and understanding how to think about your taxes year round. And I will be sure to link both of those in the description box, okay? Because this isn't just about mileage. Honestly, it's about how you manage your business. Now, I want you to drop something in the comments. Are you currently tracking your mileage consistently? Just put a yes or a no. And if not, are you going to start today? All right. Now, also tell me, did you already know the difference between commuting and business travel before watching this video? All right. Or is this the first you're hearing of it? Did you find this helpful? Okay. Make sure you put those in the comments. Now, when you earn 1099 income, every legitimate deduction matters. Mileage is one of the most overlooked and one of the easiest to fix. So don't work hard all year just to give away money that you didn't have to. Okay. Now, if this was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another 1099 earner who needs to hear it. I do thank you for watching, and I will see you at the corner of success. Bye for now.